In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Leaderboard in Skool. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Skool account and being able to access the homepage, what you want to do is on the top bar on the navigation menu, you want to head on over to Leaderboards. Now on Leaderboards, you could actually do a lot of things in order for you to use it. If you are a member, you could actually check your current rank versus the other members, which you will see in here. There will be a ranking. Now, to earn points, you have to post valuable content, you have to comment or answer a few questions, or engage with other posts. So the more consistent you are, the higher you climb. Now, if you are an admin, you could add a few things in order for you to make this better. On the cog here, you could actually change the name of your levels. Let's say level 1, it's just an introduction, so let's just say hi. Click on save. Then you will see level 1 is labeled as high. You could actually add more plugins to make it more interesting. If you go to the right-hand side, at the top where it says user menu, then you want to go to settings. Then under settings, you want to go to the community where you want to access the leaderboard. Then you want to head on over to plugins. As you can see, there will be a plugin for unlock chat at level 2 or 3, or unlock posting at level 2 or 3. This will actually reduce DM spam by unlocking chat at level 2 or 3 by requiring members to be exactly at level 2 in order for them to chat. So let's just enable this one. We could either pick this specific level, let's say at level 3. Then we could also unlock posting at a specific level. Let's just say level 3. Then if you go back, you could actually see, you will see that at level 3, it will be labeled as unlock chat with members and post to feed. And that's about it. That's how to use That's how to use Leaderboard in Skool. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.